What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got something special planned for this weekend. Anthony and I are going to our first drift event at Thunderhill. Although my car isn't finished, we have his car all ready to go and we're gonna go rip it. Right now we're about to go load it up and just stay tuned because I just bought a GoPro and it should be some sick footage tomorrow. All right. What's up, guys? It is 5:40 in the morning and we got Anthony's car all loaded up and we are headed to Thunderhill, so stay tuned for the event today. Right back at you. What's up, guys? We made it to Thunderhill, going on that parade lap right now, all checked in for the driver's meeting, and yeah, should be a sick day. Stay tuned. First lap ever. Yeah, right? That's what everyone's saying. Yep. It is my first lap ever.
Ever?
Yep.
Ever? You ever been through before?
No, I mean, I've slid around, yeah. I have a lot of sim practice, so I'm good on the sim. Yeah.
It will carry over, just it's gonna feel worldly different, but also the same. It's gonna get familiar after you get that.
I gotta just learn the car, I think, is a big thing, yeah.
Of course. So pretty. I am.
Thank you.
Oh, I got one just like this.
Yeah?
Another one? Except it's not modified.
This used to not be modified.
Blue interior and everything.
Damn, the blue? Nice, that's cool.
Alright, ready?
Pretty ready. I'm ready.
Take it easy.
Alright.
Go for it.
It's hard. Damn, bro. It's hella hard.
Stalled it.
Yeah. Hop back on though. Rolling. Damn, this chick's ass is too good.
What?
What?
What? I didn't hear what you said.
Damn, this chick's ass is too good. Hear that pulsing soy?
Right?
Huh?
And the black. What are you talking? What are they gauging when to let the next guy go?
Huh? When they come around this corner here, get ready for this big sweeper. That's just when I've been going. Oh, it's crunchy.
What the fuck, man? perfect run.
Yep. Yep. Do it a third time and we'll say I can do it for good.
Oh.
What's my tire?
Is it?
I don't know. Take a look.
Looks fine.
Yeah.
That was a perfect run.
Yep. That felt good.
I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in the big leagues. Told him that I gotta go, dog. I'm riding the road, y'all. I think that I'm back in my bag now. So I need that go, y'all. Got hits when he throwing the fastball. Just too quick for it, peeling off like the whip orange. Seen they effort, this piss poor. I got too much, I gotta tend to. Car payments and the rent due. Told y'all that I'm 6 foot, but with the money statement, I'm 10-2. Too much that I've been through, so I put it all in that rear view. Clean money in a black whip, got old problems with the friends new. Yeah, I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston.
Technical. The beginning was pretty fast, but
Pretty fast.
yeah,
How'd she do?
ribs, dog. Like, yeah,
No
stock
mechanical
angle,
problems.
but plenty of power. Yeah, first it was pretty hard, but no e-brake. But you can do the whole course without one as long as you don't suck. And you know, I did suck, but I think I'm pretty good now. Hey, first drift event, I can link the course.
Hell yeah.